Next on the show, Brandon's here with us. What you saying, mate?
Terry, I think we've officially replaced Liverpool as the second best team in the league. I don't think it was great tonight. I thought we rode our luck massively at times, but it's all about getting that 3 points. And look, I don't think we're title challengers, and there's a main reason for this, right? I think we're the second best team in the league, but I think we'll finish a good handful of points away from Manchester City at the very least, because there's two positions in particular that I look at tonight, and we need major upgrades in them. Gabriel at the back, you know, like you guys have already said, he makes too many mistakes. Martin Odegaard, I had to watch the last 20 minutes of that game on my phone because I smashed my TV, because he could have put us 3-1 up. And then 2 minutes later, Liverpool go the other end and score. The boy is too soft, far too soft. We need somebody who's got the same capabilities as him. But I just look at him in big games and he goes missing far too much. And that's why I don't think we will challenge for a title. I think Liverpool fans also have a right to be aggrieved as well. You know, I don't think they played that bad. I thought they was actually all right. I thought, you know, that was definitely our toughest game of the season. Even though we lost to Man United earlier on, I definitely think Liverpool gave us a game tonight. And I think they do have a right to feel aggrieved about the whole penalty situation. But if we're being honest, in terms of like attacking play and going forward, we was just a lot better than them. And Gabriel Martinelli, put some respect on that boy's name.
Please.
Sing it. Yes.
So I don't know what else to say. I mean, I told you, didn't I, Terry, the last time that we played, that if we got through this October fixture list variously unscathed and we beat Liverpool, then maybe I'd be changing my mind on this manager. And it's coming ever so close, because I've got to admit, Jess will have seen it in the group chat as well. When Tomiyasu was starting ahead of Kieran Tierney, I thought, what is this guy doing? Like, seriously. Kieran Tierney, he is a left back. He played very well on Thursday. I thought he deserved to start today. And then all of a sudden you see Tomiyasu, who's not even a left back, playing at left back. But let's be honest here, Arteta got that decision absolutely spot on. Absolutely spot on. So credit to him. Credit to him.
I think what's very interesting about the likes of Tomiyasu, Ben White that plays at fullback, Arsenal have a lot. Arsenal's fullbacks are not Robertsons and Trents and the like. They are defenders. Tomiyasu reminds me of the kind of fullbacks that what used to be considered top class in the Premier League. Different physically, but the Gary Nevilles, the Laurents, the Zabalettas, they were defenders. They were defenders first, and they went forward second. And you saw that with him today. And the fact that he can do it left and right, Tomiyasu is one of the most underrated defenders in the Premier League. And I think it's because we're in this era of, well, if you can't speed forward or dribble well, or you don't have a cross like David Beckham, you're not really a good fullback. But football's, as we've said already on the show, it goes in cycles. And we may about to go back into an era where teams want more defensively sound fullbacks to, ironically, to stop the marauding fullbacks of other teams from being able to get forward and attack you and hurt you. And maybe that's where the likes of Arsenal are going to benefit hugely.
Can I just throw a scenario out there as well? We're talking about Gabriel and how he's making mistakes virtually every game that's costing us. Maybe, and I don't know how others would feel about this, but maybe we could look at a Saliba and Tomiyasu centre-back partnership with a Kieran Tierney or Zinchenko at left-back, Ben White at right-back. Because, like you say, Tomiyasu just seems so much more solid in terms of his defensive capabilities. I mean, Gabriel, bozo. Absolutely bozo.
Would you move Ben White to centre-back, though, and then have Tomiyasu
No,
back
because
position?
Tomiyasu can play with both feet.
Right.
That's the only reason why I think Gabriel continues to play, is because he's our only left-footed center back, and Arteta's like very militant about that. So it's Tommy, and I would like to see that in the next game. You guys know I back Gabriel.
Then later we see
But
like that.
yeah.
Brandon, top man for coming on, mate. Really appreciate it, bro. And we'll chat to you again soon. Thank you very much. Let's speak to Gunner Souls. What you saying, mate?
I'm buzzing. They wanted to clip me in the midweek, you know, when we had the Europa League reaction. I told you we're beating them. It's not a fucking hard thing to predict. I told you it's a spoiler. And I told you Trent would get cooked. And what happened? Man faked an injury. Man was like, CBA with this, man. This is too long. Martinelli's cooking me. Fuck this. I'm out. And what happened? And also, can we talk about Van Dijk? How many more times are we going to see Aura defending? Man's looking at the ball, letting it bounce right at the end of the game and just not defending. He's like, just let it keep going. It's like, you're not going to be a good defender if you sit there and let the ball keep bounce. I'm buzzing. Do you know what the best thing about this game? We were shit. This was the worst performance of the season. You know what we did? We were like, all right, we've scored. Now it's your turn. You score. We want you to score. Come. We're inviting you to score because we just want to score again and then again and just keep breaking your hope. I am over the moon. I don't care how deluded I come across. City, we are coming for you. That's all I'm going to say.
There we go. Finally, someone else.
You can have Haaland. I don't care. Bring it. Bring it.
Amazing.
Big claim. Gunnar Souls has got some chest there, and I like it. I like the chest, my friend. Thank you for coming on and having your say. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you.